we back in here with another one. And today, man, we're going to have a little bit of fun. Go to this car show, see what's over there. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. We got the Arkansas Headturners meet today, so shout out to them. And hopefully they got some real good rides out there. Like I said, we're just gonna go over there, have some fun, network, meet some people, and you know, hopefully everybody has fun. But yeah, man, we almost to my birthday, guys. It's January the 16th today, and you know, we got about 3 more weeks before my birthday. I'll be 26 years old, so I need everybody to go turn me up. Go on ahead, leave me a comment under this video saying happy birthday, Sully, man. Yeah, guys, I just got so much love for each and every one of my supporters. I appreciate y'all for being so loyal. But man, we just gonna keep on turning up with these videos, keep on bringing y'all some fire. And man, hey, what can I say? Bangers all 2021, guys. But anyways, let's go ahead over here and see what they got. All right. We might get some action, y'all. Hey man, you want to go ahead and shout out to Instagram or whatever it is?
Yeah, man. Look, you can follow me. You can follow me YouTube King Sleepo. That's KIINGSLEPO. Or you can follow me on Instagram 392_Sleepo.
All right, we got you, bro. Out here, y'all. You okay? Y'all see me and my guy sitting over here. Looking good. Looking good. Ooh, give us something. Give us something. Sound good. Got a clean Mustang right here, y'all. I like this wrap on it. Magnum with a charger front, y'all. Yes, sir. You know they're gonna act up for me whenever I'm at a show, y'all. It's a manual. Snatching. Alright, my guy gonna start this thing up for y'all. See what it sounds like. Yes, sir.
For real? I hit a switch right here.
Yeah.
I make it loud. auto right
Yeah,
here.
you got the cutoff. Y'all hear that? Cutouts.
And then when I hit the switch, I'm back to the back.
Now it's back to the back. Yeah, I like that. I need that, bro.
It's called electric cutoff though.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta get that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sully Man Vlogs making movies.